Good morning and welcome to another edition of Hippie Christmas with MrTieDye. So this is the tapestry that I dyed up the other day. The one that I tied similar to the dragon scale, but I did the triangles and then we ice dyed it. So this is the top of it and this is the bottom. So it wasn't exactly the same color, but I like the color variation because this is the bleed out from the ice dyeing. So I decided to just go ahead and leave it that way rather than try to add more dye to it because I want to see just what this thing looks like. Okay, here we go. Oh, there is the tapestry. Thank you for watching. I'll have the results up, final results up on my Facebook later. Okay, here's the latest tapestry. This is the one that I did in the latest live video. So I did the reveal. Well, you seen that just a few seconds ago. And on my next live video, I will go ahead and auction this one off the same way I did on the Geode tapestry. So if you're interested in this one, it'll be up for auction. I'll probably be doing the next live video next Wednesday. I'll post on that soon. Thank you.